Welcome to this video. I'll show you how to turn .zip to .mcpack for Minecraft Bedrock. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, when you go on, right click on it and click on rename. If it doesn't have a file extension, just open up your file explorer as we are going to change some settings. Okay, click on view right here at the top. Now show file name extensions. Click on it and then close the file folder. Now, as you can see here, we now have the .rar file extension or any other extension. So just right click on it and click on rename, and then just click on the .rar, and now you'll be able to change it to .mcpack. All right, or .mc add-on if you want to. So just click on enter or hit on enter, and you'll be able to see this pop up. Just click on yes, and now it's an Mcpack. All right, so just ensure that the pack is specifically designed for Bedrock Edition, as renaming a Java Edition pack will not make it work in Bedrock. Right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.